Hi guys, I recently went to Bohol with Sean and okay naman ang biyahe. Sakto lang, 2 hours, fast track, ocean jet, and then this is the place where we went to or stayed. Kaso ninyo, ano siya, nightlife dito, and then walking lang. Tapos, nikaon mi sa mist. Tapos kami masarad and ba't may galigidawat kami nila. And then, sa paba. Yan isa na sa mong gi-order nga or any coffee is bitalan siya o kanang milk. Then, kanang nag-drink ni after. And then, kaya ko ano diba, as you can see. But it was okay. I requested for less alcohol. And then, pagka-morning, standby lang. Then, after gamay nga ligo. Siguro mga 1 hour dip lang. Then, thank God, dili siya init. Katong namin dito. I mean, time pagkaligo naman sa dagat. Early in the morning. And then, mani, naman kami sa daanan. J-Park na siya ng buffet area. Na ilang hotel. With swimming pool. And then, saktong kaon lang. Sa baba. Sorry naman, first time to do voiceover. Tapos, at least ko. I think this was the last day na. Yeah, and Russian Moroccan nga place. It's so cute and cool. Then, ang ilang food is very okay. Like, 9 out of 10. Then, last na mga get to before me, I mean, second to the last siguro, Mosa. It's a cafe, but ni-up lang nito drink lang, like smoothie. And then, Kanjon is like, ano tawag na, kanang coffee man siguro to like na ice cream on top. And then wala man kaayo mini wala kaayo mini order na dito daghan because busog kami daan sa Macau. And then okay siya, like ang price bitaw nila is pare-pareho ra gyud og kanang rate katong ni visit me before sa Manila. And even kanang mga places there is sa Cebu like kanang a little pricey, but I think it's worth it naman. Okay, this is the man-made forest. A little posing lang, dali-dali. Okay. Napalag may giapos nga biyahe pa uli. And then, 2 days lang may dito, but it was worth it. Pero of course, kabalikon gud ni kay, siya, kulang pa din siya sa time. It's just that day off na ko na. And, nikawat rin yung sa kaadlaw nga leave si John. So, mga ni kay pang kapuna. Next time again.